I'm here at Tambuli Beach Resort. My cousin's daughter is celebrating her birthday here. So yeah, it's timing because it's still summer here in the Philippines. Enjoy the beach.
Yeah.
You know, I like to swim, but I can't. My got busted, so it will take months. Take months before I can go back to swim. So it's a no-no today. Just enjoying the view. Oh well, bummer. Look at those speedboats. I mean, the other one is a jet ski, wave runner, I think. Yeah, it's still hot, very very hot here. The summer is still on. There's the cottage. There's the pool out there. There's a pool there. Yeah, it's very nice. They're singing happy birthday already. Happy birthday, Maki. By the way, I have an appointment around 6 o'clock and it's already 3 o'clock. A friend of mine will buy my computer. I have to dispose it because I have a new one. I have a newly assembled gaming rig, so I have to get rid of my old gaming rig. And unfortunately, my friend will gonna get it. So goodbye Tambuli, cause I'm going now, and we will meet at around 6 o'clock. So bye for now.